We're here at Fabtech 2024.
Welcome to Orlando, Florida, Fabtech 2024. It's going to be a great show.
First day of the show. We're looking forward to seeing all you guys. Want to check out some of the machines?
Bandsaws!
What's up?
You can lose weight pretty fast with one of these machines.
Uploaded the DXF and it just converts it to a DLD file.
Just one of our kind of medium-sized ones, a 275 ton.
Mostly just the G&M code, writing programs, making cuts.
As long as you don't go up to that 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, you're fine.
I mean, you'll still make micro adjustments, but after you do that, you're good to go.
Yeah, we'll take machines on the trade.
This does amazing work. It really does. It's all automated on an assembly line.
Georgia, we got a lot of guys in Augusta.
And the price point on this machine is really good.
We back it up, yeah. We back it up.
That's why they've each got their own individual robot. But these ones, we actually had a brewery do these ones for us.
Hey, we're at Fabtech 2024. It's a good place to see friends and see new technology, you know, how to stay competitive in the market. A lot of new stuff coming out.
The reason we're still moving forward, continuing to work with our partnerships with RMT, is because of their support level. Kyle, the owner, is fantastic to work with, and anytime we needed something, they've always came out and answered our call. It gives you a sense of security to have two facilities in the United States.
That was a big part of buying something from RMT, being in USA. That they have parts in USA that are available to their customers ASAP. Mostly it's next day delivery for us. You guys got a place based out of Georgia, so it's real close to us. So you got one on the East Coast and West Coast.
We run somewhere between 12 and 15,000 pieces a night. The RMT Smart Shears, they knock it out, like just day in, day out.
I've never been down. That's a big plus, you know what I mean? Especially with small business. We've never been down no longer than a couple hours.
We have good contacts to call. It's always been a very good partnership, and I'm glad to continue moving forward with them.
Please give us a call. Thank you very much. You have a nice day.
I know. I learned that.
It's good. I only know what I know.
Chick-fil-A tonight.
You going to Chick-fil-A? Sweet. This isn't good content for you right now. he's coming mic'd up for content. Yeah. And then we're talking about Chick-fil-A.